Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make these fantastically colourful rainbow cookies. Start by adding 1 egg white to a mixing bowl and whisking it till it's frothy. Then mix in 300 grams of icing sugar. And add a dash of food colour. We're starting with lilac icing. Then let's make an array of different coloured icing and put them all in piping bags. Now get your cookie. Start by covering it in white icing. Leave that to rest for 1 hour and then decorate with colourful lines of icing. Brilliant! Moving on to our second design, we're doing dots this time, working out from the middle. There! And finally, let's do a rainbow. And adding some clouds underneath. And there you have it, 3 brilliantly colourful cookie designs. Enjoy!